On your right-hand side, this house is from the musical, The Best Little Whorehouse of Texas, starring Dolly Parton, where she sings "I Will Always Love You." And this is a practical set, so you're able to film scenes on the inside of that house as well as the outside. Or behind it, you'll see something that kind of looks like half of a house, and that's called a tea set. It's there to give the illusion that whoever's living in the Chicken Ranch house has neighbors. And speaking of neighbors, we reached another neighborhood street on our lot that we call Colonial Street. Now, most of the houses on our lot are semi-practical, so that means you're able to film partially on the inside. Some houses even come with their own upstairs, downstairs, living room, and kitchen. And flexibility is key to a location like this, and why filmmakers choose to film here rather than out in a real neighborhood. Because you can change whatever you need on this street to fit the story. Like the street signs, light poles, everything is temporary. You can repaint the houses or change the structure of the houses when needed. Now, I know I said the street is called Colonial Street, but you may recognize it from ABC's Desperate Housewives as Wisteria Lane. If there is one thing everyone in suburbia can appreciate, it's a room. Speaking of good neighbors, State Farm has an open commercial here. I may recognize these houses from other productions. And coming up on your left, you'll see a brown house that was used for the holiday film Candy Cane Lane, starring Eddie Murphy and Tracy Ellis Ross. It's the same house that was used for a Verizon commercial last year, starring Beyonce. Coming up on your right-hand side, you'll see a yellow house that was used for the Netflix series Never Have I Ever, starring my true River Christian. It was Amy's house. On your left, you'll see a powder blue house that's used in the series Ted. And one of my favorites is on your right-hand side, this purple house. It was 1313 Mockingbird Lane in the TV series The Munsters. Now, Universal Studios is a rental property, so that means any studio or any production company can film here. Or we're going to leave Colonial Street and head up Steven Spielberg Drive, who happens to be here to tell us a little bit about his history here at Universal Studios.